In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notes feature which are not showing on your account. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram account. These features available once your account is updated. So it basically looks like this on your message button. You can leave a note or you can also read the notes from your friends list. Now, if it's not showing, all you have to do is to go to your profile page, tap the three horizontal bars on the upper right, and tap on the settings. Now scroll down and tap on privacy. Scroll down and you can tap on activity status. Make sure that this is toggled on so that you'll be able to see active status of your friends list, because if it's off, it means you can't see who's active. Now if it's not working, you can just check on your App Store or your Play Store whether your Instagram account needs to be updated. Usually you'll be able to see in there that blue button, it will say update. Yeah, just click on it and have it updated, and go back to your Instagram again and check if it's available. However, if it's not yet, then the last option is for you to remove the app or uninstall the application and reinstall it again by downloading again on your phone and see if the note feature is already available on your account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.